Most banks, they look at a house like this with a leaking roof and half-finished DIY projects and they see a risk. I look at it, I see a payday for the property owner that's being choked out by a lack of cash. Joe has this cute house in Oakley, Utah near 3 major ski resorts. But this house is in need of some TLC. A roof that is one storm away from a disaster, an ADU that is 80% finished, and some other DIY home projects that are incomplete that Joe started. Joe wants to sell the house for top dollar, but he didn't have the funds to finish the home projects he started, and he needs to replace the roof, as I said. He has the house, he has a plan for fixing it up, but he didn't have the cash to get it done so he can sell it for top dollar. The banks told Joe to kick rocks because of his credit and due to the incomplete aspect of the home. Not to mention, full disclosure, banks don't want to lend on a home if you're planning to sell it in 6 months. That's what Joe intends to do. So let's do the forensic audit of the numbers on this one and see what that bank is missing. Current debt, $150K. After repair value, $750K. $750K minus $150K is $600K. Joe has $600K equity in that house. In the world of real estate lending, equity is my gospel. Joe needed a bridge loan to take this house from messy to market ready. We didn't blink. We structured a short-term bridge loan under 12 months to fund the roof, finish that ADU, redo the kitchen, redo the baths, and repaint the interior. We didn't care about Joe's credit or income. We cared about his equity in that home, and we saw a path for him to sell the home and get that equity out. Within 6 months, that unlendable house will be the highest comp in that neighborhood. And Joe, he's gonna walk away with a 6-figure win instead of getting lowballed by buyers because of the incomplete status of his DIY projects. If you're a realtor with a client sitting on a fixer-upper they can't afford to fix, a bridge loan is the answer. Or if you're a homeowner holding a property that needs rehab to sell for what it's worth, you don't need a miracle. You need a deal architect like us. High West Lending, 17 years of funding the deals that banks decline. So reach out to us and let's look at the numbers and see if we can make a deal with you.